Hey y'all, welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. Now I know y'all already know where I went to this morning. Your girl is back with another shopping haul from Walmart. Let me show y'all what I got. They got 75% off. 75% off. I'm telling y'all. Y'all got $20. Y'all need to watch me in the car and start heading to your Walmart, because all this stuff is going to be gone, especially for the crafters. So I went yesterday and then I just got back in today. I'm super excited to show you guys what I picked up. So we're going to start off what I picked up today. I found this purple 16-foot garland beads in purple, and this was 42 cents. Remember, 75% off, y'all. So 42 cents. I found my gold silver ribbon, and this was 62 cents. Okay. Found some silver beads. I'm into the gold. So I found some silver beads, and this is 18 feet long, and this was 97 cents. This is going to go great with a DIY. And remember, this purchase that I'm showing you right now is from yesterday. And then I found this purple, it says it's 5 yards, and it's tinsel garland in purple, and this was actually 42 cents. And 5 yards goes a long way, so I picked that up yesterday. And I got the Christmas bulbs. Now these are the 26 shatterproof ornaments. I got them in the rose gold, the pink, and the gold, because you guys, if you remember, my Christmas tree was in these colors with a little bling of silver. So these were $1.24 for 24 bulbs. And then I picked up a little, personal items. So I spent a total of $12.85 from what I got yesterday. Okay, so we're gonna move right along, because yesterday was just a day that I was tired from the 10-hour trip that I had taken up to Charlotte and back. So I kind of rested a little bit, and then I got up and went to get some lunch for my husband and I said, well, while I'm right here, I might as well stop at the Walmart. So while I was at the picking up our lunch and everything yesterday, I said, this morning I'm going to get up and run over to the Dollar Tree. I said, but let me run back to Walmart, because I had to pick up an item for my DIY that's going to be collaborated with me, myself, in DIYing it. So while I was in there, I was like, let me go back over here and check out this 75% off. And y'all, I wasn't super excited like I was yesterday, because like I said, reiterate that I was tired. So I went and I picked up some more bulbs. I got these in red. And remember, these are $1.24 for a 24 pack. I got it in red. Picked it up in purple and gold. And I'm just realizing that I end up getting 2 of the same kind, which is fine, because I can, pick out the gold and whatever else I needed, and this will be coming up for a DIY. And then I got it in the pretty, I would say like the teal turquoise blue with the gold bulbs, and these were all $1.24. So get over to your Walmart and try to get these deals. But lastly, I was looking at the purple garland that I had picked up yesterday, and I said I got to go back and get these, and these were only 42 cents. So I got another purple one. And then, because yesterday they really didn't have anything, so I guess overnight they all of a sudden put a whole nother, bin out. I found it in my favorite color, fuchsia. So I got 2 of these. And I got it in that bright teal bluish type of color. And y'all know I couldn't leave the silver alone. So I got it in silver. And bam, I got it in gold. So you guys will see upcoming projects with these for 2020. And that will do it from what I picked up at Walmart. So today I spent $14.20 on everything that I purchased. And this is just strictly everything that I just showed you from part 1 and part 2. So like I said, if you guys got 20 bucks, run on out to your Walmart and get the 75% because it is not going to last long. And with that being said, y'all have a blessed Sunday, and always remember, if it ain't cheap, we ain't buying it. So I'll see y'all in the next video.